Hi and welcome back. In this video, we are going to test our login with Postman, and there are a couple of changes we have to make in order to get it to work. So let's get to it. Make sure your app is running, and then we can go ahead and register a user. So I'm going to send a request here, and I'm just creating a user, but it already exists because data.db in my case hasn't been deleted. So you can see that a user with the username already exists. Then you can go over to your auth endpoint, but you'll see if you send this, it'll say, 404. Why 404? Well, the /auth endpoint no longer exists. Now we have to use /login because that's the new resource we've created. So we can send this away, and now we get an access token and a refresh token. Okay, this is exactly what we told our resource to return. So there's no magic going on in here. They're just two things. The refresh token is going to be useful in a few videos time, so don't worry about it. And the access token is just our JWT. Okay, I'm just going to change the name of this auth endpoint just to be safe there. And now we have our access token. Our tests are going to save this access token into our collection. Our environment. So we can go into get item that has this authorization header and send a request. See, but then you get a message saying bad authorization header. Expected value bearer JWT. So instead of JWT and then the JWT, it expects to have bearer and then the JWT. So just like that, remember to have bearer space the JWT at the end, and there you have it. Okay, so that's the only changes you need to make in Postman in order to get all this to work. Whenever you're using Flask-JWT-Extended, use bearer. And there are ways to configure this, so it's not bearer, so it's something else if you want. But those will be available in the official documentation for Flask-JWT-Extended. I'm not going to go into too much detail in this course about how to configure all of these different things. We will, however, later on in the course, just for your information, look at how to make these messages a little bit nicer. Okay, instead of MSG something here, we're going to have a nicer message with some suggestions of what you can do and so forth. Just going to line them out a bit nicer, also so you learn how to modify this on your own projects. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to double check that everything's working and show you the small changes you have to make. I'll see you on the next one.